Let's see how you can easily build a Telegram AI chatbot powered by Claude that can simply respond to the customer's questions. So here I'm in a demo icon. The first step is to connect your Telegram bot right here. So if you're wondering how, click on this channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels where you can choose the Telegram and simply connect the bot token right there. So here if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to create or connect your existing bot or create a new account. So you will need to go to the bot further on Telegram, create a new bot, follow the instructions and grab the bot API token and simply enter that token on our platform to simply connect this specific Telegram bot right here. So here we have already connected a Telegram bot right there. So it says demogetic media bot. So when a particular customer send a messages on this specific account, it will simply handle the user messages using the power of Cloud AI. Let's see how to achieve this one over here. So if you want to use the Cloud AI to respond to the customer's questions through the Telegram, you also need to connect the API keys from the cloud platform as well. For that, go to settings. In settings, you have the option of integrations and connect the API keys from the Cloud AI. So here, if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys directly from the Cloud AI platform and simply enter those API key right here as well. So here make sure to enable the AI auto reply as well, so that we can actually create AI agents in the AI hub and use that directly as well. So go to the AI hub over here, and here you can use the existing one as well, Brightline painting solutions. So let me open this one over here. So here we have the system message prompt including all the information about the specific business. So this is about a painting solution or painting company. It says respond in 1 to 2 sentences. Your role is to answer customers questions, etc, etc. You help customers with services pricing, etc, etc. So here we have all the information about that specific company, introduction, the services they provide, opening hours, and the pricing range details and other things as well. And here we have some frequently asked questions as well. All right, so what happens is that when a particular customer asks some questions, it will simply use the information right here to respond to their questions as well. So here if you scroll down, you can actually have different AI tools. So for example, you can actually create AI functions to collect specific customer details as well. For example, request callback. Let me activate this one as well and see what we have right there. Request callback, and here connect user to human. It will be automatically active in every agent or AI chatbot you create right here. So it will auto transfer the chat to the human agents when necessary as well. So here if you click on this option, here you have the option to choose the specific models as well. So since we have connected all these support models, Cloud, OpenAI, Gemini, XA, all these shows up. But if you want to use the cloud, make sure this is set up as the first priority. So here for example, if I move down, now it will always try to generate a response from the GPT 5.4 mini. But if you want to use the cloud, then make sure this is set up as the first priority, and here you have the option to select specific models as well. For example, let me use the latest model right here, and here you can set temperature, tokens and other things as well. And let me click on save over here. All right, it has been saved. So now let's make this as the default agent as well. And here another important thing is that if you want to delay the responses generated by the AI, you can go to the settings over here, and in settings you have to enable the bot reply delay. Set how long the bot waits before replying the user's last message. If user send another message, timer resets and messages are queued into a single response as well. For example, let me set a delay time of 15 seconds as well. All right, so it will wait 15 seconds before it actually generates a response, but within the 15 seconds if I send another messages, timer resets, and when the bot send a response, it will send answers to both of my questions as well. So let's see how this actually works. So here let me open this specific AI agent right there. All right, so let me share my phone screen as well. So here I'm in the Telegram demogetic media bot. So let me ask the questions over here. So let me say when this was founded, what are your opening hours? So here I sent two questions: when this was founded and what are your opening hours. So in 15 seconds we will receive a response as well. So the opening hours Monday to Friday 8 to 6, Saturday 9 to 3, Sunday closed, and this founded in 2012. Let's see how this actually works right here. Alright, so it says Bright and Better Solution was founded in 2012 and we are based in this area. Our office hours are Monday through Friday 8 to 6, Saturday 9, and it's closed on Sunday. Simple as that. So even if I send just two questions over there, it simply responds right there with a specific delay time we set up as well. So here let me ask some other questions as well. For example, can you tell me about the pricing for the exterior house painting? Alright, this is one question, and let me ask one other question as well. Also provide information on the warranty as well. Alright, so here I sent again two questions. It will simply respond to us right here as well. So here is the response. Exterior house painting starts around 2500 for a small home, 4000 for a medium, 7500 for a large home, with projects typically taking 3 to 10 days. Residential work comes with a 5-year workmanship warranty covering all these things, and though it doesn't cover the natural weathering, structure issues or water damage. Simple as that. So it simply provides all the response right here as well. So here if I say I want to talk to a human, it will automatically transfer the chat to the human agents as well, because we have this AI function connect user to human. So here if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversations happened right here. So this from the Telegram, it shows bot is active and these are the questions asked by the specific user. And now if I send a message saying, can I talk with an agent please? Alright, I just send a message, so it will take again 15 seconds before it actually transfer the chat to the specific human agents as well. So currently it says bot is active, so after that it will be disabled as well. So it says you're all set. I have connected the conversation to a human agent and someone will get back to you as soon as possible. So here bot active is gone. So now if you click on this human folder, you can see only the conversation assigned to the humans only. So here you see this particular chat as well. So if you click on this bot folder, it will show only the conversation handled by the bot right here. So if you untick this one, it will show conversation from bot and the human right here as well. So from the specific unified inbox, a human agent can easily send any sort of messages, and here you can even use the create appointment tool or native appointment manager to book appointments, send specific products and other things as well. So here you can even record specific voice notes and send that voice note to the user as well. So here it's recording a specific voice note, and let me send this. Alright, so it will send that specific voice note to the user as well. Simple as that. So that is a quick video on how you can actually build a Telegram AI chatbot powered by Claude. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.